Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how we get those giant rockets into space? It's a complicated process, but we can break it down into easy-to-understand steps. From choosing the right fuel to the exciting moment of liftoff, we'll explore the incredible journey of a rocket launch. Get ready for an adventure beyond the clouds. We'll start with the powerful fuel that propels these incredible machines. Then, we'll delve into the meticulous assembly of a rocket, piece by piece. Buckle up as we experience the thrill of the launch countdown and the precise procedures involved. Finally, we'll reach for the stars and discover how rockets achieve orbit and maneuver in the vastness of space. Rockets need a lot of power to escape Earth's gravity. That's why they use special fuel called rocket propellant. One common type is liquid propellant, which is like supercharged gasoline. It burns with an oxidizer, creating a powerful explosion that propels the rocket upward. Another type is solid propellant, which is like a giant firecracker. It's mixed together and burns continuously, creating a constant thrust. Choosing the right fuel depends on the rocket's size and mission. Some rockets even use a combination of both types of fuel for different stages of their journey. Building a rocket is like putting together a giant, complicated puzzle. It starts with the rocket's body, which is divided into sections called stages. Each stage has its own engines and fuel tanks. The stages are stacked on top of each other with the payload like a satellite or spacecraft at the very top. Technicians carefully assemble the rocket in a giant building called a vehicle assembly building. They connect the different stages, install the engines, and add all the necessary wiring and electronics. Before launch, the rocket is carefully transported to the launch pad where it is lifted upright and prepared for its journey into space. Section 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff. The launch countdown is the most exciting part. It's a carefully choreographed sequence of events that ensures everything is ready for liftoff. During the countdown, engineers monitor every system on the rocket and the weather conditions. As the countdown approaches 0, the rocket's engines ignite, creating a deafening roar and a blinding flash of light. The rocket slowly lifts off the launch pad, propelled upward by the powerful force of its engines. As the rocket ascends, it sheds its stages one by one. Each stage burns its fuel and then detaches, making the rocket lighter and allowing it to travel farther. Section 5. Destination, orbit, and beyond. To reach orbit, a rocket needs to achieve a speed of over 17,000 miles per hour. This is called orbital velocity, and it allows the rocket to circle the Earth without falling back down. Once in orbit, the rocket can release its payload, such as a satellite, which will then begin its own mission. Controlling a rocket in space is tricky because there's no air to push against. Rockets use small thrusters that expel gas to make small adjustments to their trajectory and orientation. These adjustments ensure that the rocket stays on course and can successfully complete its mission.